This is Absolut Drinks with Rico, and I'm Rico, and today we're making a 1950s classic, and we're doing something that all bartenders love. We're gonna be making some blue drinks. So today, we are gonna make the Blue Hawaiian. The pineapple's beautiful. You get a slight bit of citrus from the Blue Curaçao, but it's only really there to give you that blue color. The vodka's amplifying all the flavors of everything else, and coconut cream blended with pineapple is quite absolutely heaven on earth, but in your mouth, it's the best. Bear in mind, there are two drinks. There is the Blue Hawaiian and there is the Blue Hawaii. Very similar but very different. The Hawaii contains citrus and sugar, or like sours mix, and the Hawaiian contains the best ingredient on earth, which is coconut cream or cream of coconut. So when we talk about cream of coconut, we get a lot of comments asking what that is. This right here, guys. This is cream of coconut, or coconut cream. This is the one you're looking for. You're not looking for creamed coconut, which is that hard block that you grate into curries and stuff. And you're not looking for coconut milk, which is also what you use in curries. You're looking for creamed coconut, which is basically the flesh and sugar blended and mixed together to create this delicious concoction. That's what we want to do today. And please do not forget, if you do not want to miss one of these great shows, click the subscribe button. We need all the subscribers that we can get. And also give us a like, because it really helps out the channel. So, Blue Hawaiian, it's basically kind of like a pina colada, to be quite honest. So that's what we're gonna do. It's a vodka pina colada with blue. That's about it. Let's get into it. First up, you know how much I like the blender and making some blended drinks, so that's what we're gonna be focusing on today. We are gonna be making two drinks. Never drink alone, always drink responsibly. So we're gonna do two. First up, we're gonna prep some pineapple. We are gonna be using some pineapple leaves. We want two. Well, what's that for two then? We want two, like, it's my strong hand. So we want 2 rings of pineapple. We're gonna cut that off, like so, or rip it off. And then we're just gonna, that's good for me. Gonna cut the bottom off, and then start taking this peel off. Get as much of the peel off as you can, because we are gonna blend this up. Then we wanna cut the core out. Whoa, sorry. We wanna cut the core out. You can see right here where the core is. It's the hard bit in the middle. That ain't gonna be too easy to blend, so we don't want that in there. You can, however, use this at a later date. You might wanna make like an oleo sacrum. So first up, we're gonna throw that straight into the blender. You don't really need a special blender to make this drink. This is just a household kitchen blender that you can get. It's gonna be difficult with a stick blender, I will say that. But as long as you got a blender like this, you're gonna be fine. I forgot my own drink now. Pineapple, Blue Curaçao. Next up, we want to add the blue in. The blue obviously comes from Blue Curaçao. It's an ancient bartender ingredient. It is just triple sec. We have orange Curaçao, we have triple sec. This is exactly the same product, it just has blue food dye in it. We want 25 mils per drink, so I'm gonna stick a good 50 slug in here to make sure we go in extra blue. And then we're gonna take some of our coconut cream, and we want about 25 mils per drink. I'm gonna eye that up with this spoon and just go blob, blob, and then just for good measure, because I really like coconut cream, blob. Last but not least, we've got the hero of the show, Little Miss Absolut Vodka, and we wanna get a good 25 mil per drink again, so that's 50 going in. We're done. We is all done, son. All we gotta do now is add some ice. We want 1 scoop. That's all we're gonna add, and we're gonna see where we get to with that 1 scoop. So we wanna smooth that out. So I can see that's nicely blended, but it's not the thickness that I want. So we're gonna add a little bit more ice, just on the top. That should be suffice. We've got a nice thick consistency going on now. Ooh, ho, that's kind of perfect. And then we want to just pour direct in. It could have been nice being a little bit thicker to do that. Just shh. It It could have been nice being a little bit thicker. To do that, just need to keep blending it with some more ice. We're gonna garnish it now. I'm gonna go super cheesy, and we're gonna go with a nice little pineapple wedge. I'm gonna go in like this. If you want to see what the secret ingredient is, just press subscribe now. There we go, guys. The Blue Hawaiian. Let's give it a shot. Well, that's delicious, isn't it? I didn't think it was going to be that good, but I don't know if it's just because I'm so good at making drinks, pause, or it's just a good drink. But that is delicious. Well done, 1957, when you created this. It's a pretty goddamn good drink. Well done. I'm happy. I like blended drinks. They are the best, yes. This has been Absolut Blue Drinks with Rico, and I'm Rico. Thank you.